Hello there and welcome to Key Stage 3 Science, and we're covering rocks. So rocks can be classified into three main groups. They are igneous, sedimentary, and also metamorphic. Let's cover the igneous rocks first. So igneous rocks, all igneous rocks are formed from molten rock which has cooled and solidified. Molten rock below the surface of the earth is called magma. Above the earth's surface, it is called lava. Igneous rocks are very hard and have crystals. Extrusive igneous rocks have small crystals because they have formed very quickly above ground. Basalt is an example of an extrusive igneous rock. Intrusive igneous rocks have large crystals because they have solidified slowly below the ground. Granite is an example of an intrusive igneous rock, and there's some example of granite rocks on the right-hand side. So how do different cooling rates lead to different crystal sizes? So in liquid rock, the particles move around. If the liquid rock is cooled slowly, then the particles from a few large crystals. If the liquid rock is frozen quickly, many small crystals are formed. Metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks are usually hard and may contain banded crystals. Metamorphic rocks are formed by high temperature and pressure on existing rocks over a long period of time. Marble is a metamorphic rock formed from limestone. Slate is a metamorphic rock formed from mud. Over the time, slate changes into gneiss, pronounced nice. Okay, so schist and gneiss are examples of metamorphic rocks that you can see below. So in terms of sedimentary rocks tend to be crumbly and sometimes contain fossils. Sandstone and limestone are examples of sedimentary rocks. So sedimentary rocks form from layers of sediment found in seas or lakes. Over millions of years, these layers are buried by further sediment. The weight of these layers squeezes out the water and the particles become cemented together. At least 50% of a rock must be calcium carbonate for it to be called limestone. This mineral is mainly formed from the calcium-rich skeletons of sea creatures. The exact composition of the limestone allows scientists to work out the conditions of which limestone was formed. Some limestones contain almost pure calcium carbonate. This shows that the water in which they formed must have been very clear and clean. The nature of fossilized remains also provides evidence about the environment in which the limestone formed. Some limestones contain mud and silt. This shows that they must have been formed in muddy water, perhaps near river deltas. In some cases, there is such a lot of mud and silt that the rock changes from a limestone to a shale or even a mudstone. Sedimentary rocks like sandstone can be described as porous. There are gaps between the grains of sand in the sandstone, and water is able to soak into these gaps. Some sedimentary rocks, like rock salt, are called evaporites. These were formed when water in lakes or landlocked seas evaporated, leaving behind the salts which had previously been dissolved. So you can see an example of sandstone on the left and also limestone on the right. Okay, so have a look at these three examples of rocks and answer the question. Then we'll follow these up in our next class. Thank you.